identity of a recently deceased priest. Things get really complicated then for Bogart, and he falls in love with a nurse, played by Gene Tierney. This was a film that came at a time in Gene Tierney's life when she was working less consistently than she had in the 1940s. And she was making films such as Laura, Fever to Heaven, The Razor's Edge, and The Ghost of Mrs. Muir. But when she did work, she was starring in the Prestige office with some of the giants of the business, like Spencer Tracy, Clark Gable, and now Humphrey Bogart. But it was a very challenging period for her due to mental health issues and frequent periods requiring hospitalization. This next movie came after one of those periods of being out of commission. The one-time boss at the comic